Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Acadia Parish and southwestern Louisiana, southwestern Louisiana, southeastern Jefferson Davis Parish and southwestern Louisiana, northwestern Vermilion Parish and southwestern Louisiana, until 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Acadia Parish and southwestern Louisiana, northeastern Cameron. The expected rainfall rate is 0.5 to 1 inch in 2 hours. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Jennings, Welsh, Lake Arthur, Gaydon, Klondike, Fort Island,
it's a 4-hour and 30-minute event.
Thornwell, Florence Landing, and Roanoke.
What?
Turn around. Don't drive when encountering flooded roads.
Hour and 30-minute
vehicles.
event.
At 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the center of tropical storm danger
Bruh.
located near latitude 23.
Right.